Hey, Manny.
Yeah.
Manny.
What?
Okay, Manny, we're going to play a little game. We're going to see how smart you are. Okay, Manny, first question. What's the name of that bird?
That is an eagle. Yes,
No.
that's an eagle. Look at the beak.
That's an owl.
Look at the beak on that bird. That's an eagle.
That's not an eagle. That's an owl.
Well, let me see. That's an
Manny.
eagle. That's no owl.
Trust me, that's an owl. Okay?
Yes, it is. It's an eagle.
No, Manny.
That's not an
Don't
owl.
get mad, Manny. Come on now.
That is
This is just a game.
an eagle.
You're getting mad over nothing.
I know that's an owl. I just like messing with him.